There are some essential tools every driver or car owner needs to have in his car. Being a driver is not only about moving a car from one location to another, but generally being able to manage your car in every situation. As a driver, you must be prepared for every unforeseen circumstances on the road and even off the road, because it is bound to happen. So you need to prepare in advance so that when it do, you can equally face it with preparedness. I am going to share with you 6 essential tools every car owner or driver must have in his car. To start with, you need to have a jump starter power bank or jump starter cable in your car. You never know when your car battery will fail you. Having a jump starter cable or a jump starter power bank will assist you jumpstart your car anywhere, anytime. These days, it's better to have a jump starter power bank with power that can help you jumpstart your car without the need of external battery or another car to help you start your car. It is very embarrassing and stressful when you go to birthdays, weddings, church, or any activity and you want to start your car and it wouldn't start. In fact, when you wake up in the morning and you are late to work, you want to start your car, but your car won't just respond. Why? Because your battery has fallen. I recommend you have a jump starter power bank in your car, which is much convenient for you to jumpstart your car. The second is spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. You need this for a flat tire. These 3 will help you change your flat tire on the road if you have a puncture or if you blast your tire on the road. If you get a flat tire on the road and you don't have a jack, spare tire, or lug wrench, you cannot change your tire, and the stress that you go through is just unimaginable, because in such situation you cannot change your tire quickly and move on with your journey. So you need to hire a taxi or get an Uber, drive to the nearest tire shop, and then they can come assist you change your tire. How will the situation be like if you are in the middle of a highway where there is no tire shop nearby? The third tool or thing you must have in your car is emergency warning sign or triangle. This is a very important tool you need whenever you park your car beside the road because of a fault, an accident, or anything that needs you to keep your car for a period of time. Warning triangles. Warning triangles alert incoming cars and drivers that there is a danger ahead or there is a car parked ahead of them. Therefore, they can easily change lanes or slow down and approach. Another thing you need in your car is basic tools kit. And this tools kit should have basic tools like a screwdriver, plier, and wrenches to assist you do quick repairs and minor repairs like loosening and tightening knots, changing car battery, or fixing some basic stuff. Not everything has to go to the mechanic, and that is why it is essential to have basic tools kit in your car as a driver to help you fix some minor things in your car. If you like this video so far, pause and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. The fourth thing you need to have in your car is first aid kit. Sometimes accidents do happen, and when they do, cuts normally occur. With a first aid box, you can easily stop the blood flow as you prepare to go to the hospital or meet your doctor. Last but not the least is portable air compressor. With the advent of portable air compressors, you don't always need to drive your car to a tire shop to get your tires inflated. You can easily get one in your car, and whenever your tires are deflated, you can plug them to your tires and inflate your tires. It is not advisable to drive on deflated tires. Safety-wise, it is not advisable. Economically, you waste fuel driving on deflated tires. Also, you stress your engine because your engine has to overpower to move your car because your tires are deflated. To sum it up, a slow puncture can deflate your tires to a level that you cannot move your car. So with a portable tire inflator, you can easily inflate your tires and drive away. For watching the video till this end, let me add one more gift for you, and that is have a rag in your car. Having a rag in your car is very essential for cleaning spills, checking oils, and handling dirt. It nearly escaped me. A fire extinguisher. You need to have a fire extinguisher in your car. It is a must. A fire extinguisher can save you from a total burn down of your car, or even saving another car owner or driver's car from burning. So with a fire extinguisher, you can easily quench or stop fire that starts in your car. Always check your fire extinguisher. If it is expired, you need to buy a new one and replace it. Do not let a small fire burn down your car just because you don't have a fire extinguisher in your car. You need to get one. All these items I have listed here, you can buy them from Amazon. In fact, I have links, affiliate links down in the description. You can just click and go order one from Amazon. It's an affiliate link. When you buy, there is no extra cost to you, but I will get a small commission from Amazon. Save your car from fire with a fire extinguisher. It has been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video for the algorithm to push this video to many people. I talk about the automotive industry. So if you want to know more about the automotive industry, subscribe to my channel. If you are a mechanic and you want me to interview you, reach out to me through WhatsApp or email. You can find my email or WhatsApp on the description below or the numbers you see below the screen. Also, if you want any auto equipment, tools and machines, I can supply them directly from China to your address or nearest port. This is Autocare 360.